Non-finite clauses, raising and control. So it's a new topic, though we have discussed a lot about finite and non-finite clauses. Let's just repeat non-finite clauses and then we talk about raising and control. Already discussed, sentence may be embedded inside other sentences. For example, there is an object clause. So the vicar said that evil communications corrupted good manners. So we know that that evil communication corrupted is an embedded sentence, S-bar sentence, and that is a complementizer. And this is a finite clause. So, however, subordinate clause may have a non-finite clause. The vicar believed that evil communications corrupted good. Here we have a finite clause in the S-bar, and the vicar believed evil communication to corrupt good manners. So here we have infinitive as a non-finite clause. So for example, B, subordinate clause, is a non-finite. As I just said, the VP contains a to infinitive. The function of object may also be realized by a clause containing a VP with a bare infinitive, an ing form, a participle, or an ed participle. So I heard Mary sing carols. So here we have sing as a bare infinitive. So I heard Mary singing carols. We have present participle, ing form, and they found their house occupied by squatters. So there we have occupied past participle. Finally, an object clause may also be verbless. We have talked about. In such cases, there is a predicate relationship between the object and what is being said. Right? For example, I consider him guilty of his crime. So he is guilty. So here there is a relationship between him and guilty, which is of predication. So we shall look more on this type of clauses, that the subordinate clause may be introduced by a finite clause or may be introduced by a non-finite, and in among the non-finite we can have a clause having to infinitive. It may be a bare infinitive, which we call first form, or it may be present participle, which is ing form, or it may be a past participle, which we say third form, right? So there can be a variety of sentences in this regard in the subordinate clauses.